Hola amigos, this is Somvir and welcome back to CodePipe. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some very necessary things that are required when we are starting as a programmer. I have been into programming for a couple of years now. Because of that, I can understand that these things are very necessary. So the things that I am going to tell you will be focused more on programmers, but if we take it as a general, it can be applicable to anything. Like if you are starting as a creative artist, if you are starting as a graphic designer, anything. So without wasting any time, let's see what is the first thing that we need to have. First of all, and most importantly, we need a goal. A goal is must before starting anything. We should have in mind what I'm going to do with all the knowledge and all the information that I'm going to gain during the process. So setting a goal is the most important thing because it is going to shape your future and it will decide what steps you are going to take in the future to accomplish that goal. I have heard from many people that they start learning something but they lose interest very soon. According to me, the reason behind that is they don't have a set goal in their mind. Without a goal, they will start something but soon they will lose their motivation to perform that activity. And then they will get interest in something else, so they will start doing that. On the contrary, if you have a goal set in your mind, even if you are losing interest, you can take a rest for a day or two or however long you want, but after that you will be again set to the correct path of achieving that goal. So this way you will always feel motivated to achieve that goal. Now the inspiration can come from anywhere. It can be a cartoon character like Dexter, if you guys know it. It can be a fictional character like Tony Stark aka Iron Man, like I have got the inspiration. Or you can get inspiration from real life innovators like Elon Musk, who is the owner of Tesla and SpaceX. These are some examples, but you can get inspiration for a goal from anywhere. So first step is setting a goal. Now it is time to make a roadmap so that you can follow some steps to reach your goal. So at this point, you need to have a couple of mentors and a pathway that will guide you in the right direction. Let me tell you my story. At first, I wanted to be like Iron Man. I wanted to create AI and everything. Then I researched it on YouTube for a bit and I found out that I like programming and I like to make videos to teach students. So I started to make YouTube videos and I found a couple of mentors on YouTube like Free Code Camp, JavaScript Mastery, etc. Now let me tell you a great tool that helped me build my YouTube channel, optimize my videos and help me reach my monetization goal. That tool is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is certified from YouTube so that we can use it on our YouTube channel. As the TubeBuddy tagline says, it is your best friend to make your YouTube channel successful. At first we need to install a plugin like this. I have already installed this. If you are starting out and you want to start a YouTube channel, let me tell you how TubeBuddy will help you. Once you have created a video, then you need to put some keywords for it so that your video is discoverable on YouTube. For that we have this advanced keyword research. You can put your keyword here and you can explore. You can get the result here according to which you can identify is the title going to work or not. Now this is about title. What about thumbnails? We have that covered. We have a thumbnail generator from TubeBuddy that will help you generate good quality thumbnails that will get you clicks. After that we can also optimize our videos using SEO that is inbuilt in our TubeBuddy. After that we can also share it on our social media accounts and TubeBuddy will also keep track of likes that we are getting on our social accounts. And finally there is this cool feature in TubeBuddy that allows you to make A/B testing. If you want to do some testing on a video for different customers, that is A/B testing, you can also do that. Let me give you a disclaimer that some of these services are paid, so you may have to pay something to get the services, but if your channel subscribers are less than 1000, it is a direct 50% discount for you guys. So if you want to try TubeBuddy, you can use my link, that is tubebuddy.com/codepipe. The link will be available in the description. Please have a look at it. Now coming back to finding mentors and setting your path. As I said, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. So I saw someone on YouTube telling me about TubeBuddy. So I used it and it was really helpful and you can use it too. Now your goals might be different. Maybe you want to become an AI expert or data analyst or something else. So what I want you to do is go to YouTube, search for keywords that you want to learn, you will get different creators creating different type of videos for you. Now you need to find out which videos are interesting to you and you are learning easily from them. You can follow those channels, and usually YouTube creators put their email or website on their channel. So what you can do is you can go to their website or you can take their email directly and you can mail them. You can mail them saying what problems you have, what you want to become, and if they can help you. Most of the time it happens that they will help you. As a YouTube creator, I get mails every day and I try to help all of them. As a creator, I am sure that other creators will also be happy to help you. So don't hesitate to send an email or have a query for them. Now, it's always better to have more than one mentors or more than one channel that you follow, because sometimes it is not necessary that everything your creator is doing will align with your goals. So it's always better to have more than one mentor. So you will get a combined knowledge of 2-3 mentors, and that knowledge will help you set a path for yourself. You can find your mentors on different platforms. Let it be a website, let it be Instagram, let it be Facebook, or any other platform. You just need to see what they are doing. If the goals or the content is aligning with what you want to do, just follow them, see what they are doing, and try to replicate them. By replicate, I don't mean to copy each and everything that they are doing. By replicating, I mean learn how they are doing what they are doing and then try to implement it in your way. If you do this, if you follow these creators, you will be at least in a right direction towards your goal. At this point, you have a goal set, you have some mentors that you are following who are guiding you in the right direction. Now you will need some tools that will help you do what you want to do and gain some experience. If you are a programmer, you will need a laptop or a PC and some softwares to perform coding. And lot of other things also need laptop and software to do all the creative stuff. And believe me or not, if you are getting into creative field, your laptop will be your best friend very soon. You will not go anywhere without your laptop. So let me tell you about some laptops that you can have as a programmer, as a coder, or any other creative artist. Now, the laptops that I'm going to tell you may seem expensive, but as I've told you, they will be your best friend, so you might want them to stick with you for a long time. Let me tell you about my computer. It is HP Notebook. This laptop is with me for about 7 years now without any defect, and as I've told you, I don't go anywhere without my laptop. Now, HP, Lenovo and Dell are one of the best laptops that are available in the market. What we are going to see in the laptops are how much memory it has, that is RAM, how much storage it has, what is the processor, and if graphic cards are available or not. So let's get into our list. First of all, we have Dell Vostro. It is anti-glare display. It has 11th Gen i5 generation, 8GB RAM and 1TB hard disk. It also has integrated graphics. So this is one of the very good choices if you are looking for a good laptop that is going to stick with you. And it is available on Amazon. So there are many offers that you can get. Also, if you say this, it is very sleek in design. So it will be very light in weight and it will be very useful to you. Next in our list is HP AMD Ryzen. As the name says, the processor it is using is AMD Ryzen, which is one of the best processors after Intel, or some may say that it is better than Intel. It also has 8GB RAM. It has 512GB, that is SSD, which is faster than HDD. This is also a good choice if you want to get into programming. We have Lenovo that is using Intel 10th Gen i5 processor. It also has 8GB RAM. It has 256GB SSD and it is based on Windows 10. This is very similar to the last laptop that we saw. After that, we have another laptop from HP, that is Pavilion. It has 15.6 inches of display. Again, it has 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD. But the cool thing about this laptop is it has Nvidia GTX 4GB graphic card. That will be very helpful if you are doing some video editing or image editing and other creative stuff. Next, also we have a laptop from Intel that uses 11th Gen Intel Core i5 processor. It is of 14 inches, so you will not have that extra number buttons on the right side, so it will be very compact, and the design is also very sleek, so it will sit very comfortably in your lap. At the last, let me show you a laptop by Lenovo. It is also using 11th Gen i5 Intel processor. It is also 14 inches, so it will be very compact and small in size. The memory and storage is same, that is 8GB and 512 SSD. It will give you a premium look. because it has a backlit in the keyboard and it also has a fingerprint reader. So these were some laptops that I found on Amazon that are very interesting and you can buy them. As I said, they may seem expensive, but believe me, you will be happy if you get them. Now after laptop, the next step is softwares. If you are getting into coding, let me tell you one very basic tool that you will need, that is VS Code. So this is the website to download Visual Studio Code. This is an IDE, integrated development environment, where you can run your programs and test your programs at the same time, and you can also debug them. So have a look at that also. Now comes the time that we need to get into real world and show them what we have done and what we have gained the knowledge of. By doing this, we will get on the radar and we may get freelancing projects or we may get hired from different companies. If you are a coder, the best way to show your profile to the world will be having a GitHub profile. So make sure to make one GitHub profile and put all your test code or practice code into that profile. Now you can use this GitHub profile in your resume, or you can make resume on GitHub also and send it to different companies, or maybe you can send it to clients that may want to see your work. If you are a creative artist, there are other platforms like Behance.com, Dribble.com, and maybe sometimes you can use Pinterest.com to showcase your work. It may get you more clients for freelance, or again you may get hired, who knows. Other than these, other social media profiles like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn are also a great way to showcase your work. Especially on LinkedIn, there are companies looking for new talent, so you may get lucky and get hired by one of the companies. One other way that I want to tell you is competitive challenges. If you are a programmer, there are hackathons. If you are a creative artist, there are different challenges or competitions that may help you get some recognition and certifications if you want. So these were some ways you can show your work to the public. Just like I'm telling you how you can show your work to the public, I have also done the same thing. I have a course on Udemy where I try to help new upcoming students to learn Django framework that is very successful and useful for web development. It is based on Python. In the course, we developed an e-commerce website from scratch, not having anything with us, getting the brief, getting the requirements, how to talk to clients, how to make Django packages, how to make Django pages, how to make the backend functionality, how to make the front end. Everything is covered in this course. So if you are trying to get into web development and if you are interested in Python, then I recommend you to have a look at my Udemy course. The link in the description. Please go and have a look. It might help you, or you can share it with any of your friends who might need it. With this, we come to the conclusion of the video. We have discussed that we need to set a goal, then we need to find mentors that can help you get in the right direction. Then we need to get correct tools like laptops and softwares to practice what we are going to do. Then we saw how we need to show our work to the world so that we can be recognized. This is a roadmap to start in anything we want. I hope the video was informational. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Maybe share it with a friend who is finding it difficult to get started into something. If you are coming here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, push the notification bell to not miss out any of my videos. We will meet very soon with a new video. Until then, this is Somveer taking your leave. Adios.